Men are, and here I am, and we are all here together, and then it's time to talk about the weather. So, looking at here, we have the polar vortex that you may have seen in the news splitting. These are our temperatures dipping down very cold into the negatives, -5, -10 degrees up here all over Hudson Bay, which, as we know, is iced over. And then moving down in here into Ohio, Missouri, Illinois, Michigan. Ooh, cold up there. Alright, looking at our wind maps for the day. Looks like we have a few systems moving around. Take a step back here. Alright, so 1, 2 off the coast, 3 up here in northeastern Russia. There's the leftover of that nor'easter, and a good solid system poised to hit the UK in the next coming days. Looking at forecasted rain and thunder models. Let's look that out of the way. Alright, so here is Tuesday going into Wednesday. And we'll see a couple of days out. We got some big storm systems moving in, dropping out of Canada. Let's jump up here till Friday. So we kind of see the tail end of that last one that moved through. More moving down into here. Alright, let's get this going. Looks like more snow over Colorado, Wyoming, kind of dissipating into Saturday. And I was looking at this earlier, I'm not terribly sure where it came from, but right around, I think, Monday, huge storm just drops out of Canada into the US. Got some thunderstorms down in Houston coming up here this weekend. Heads up for that, everybody. Down there in Miami looks a little stormy too. And we got our storm system building up in southern Canada. It looks like it'll be dropping south towards Colorado, Midwest, Rockies. Yep, there it comes. And on into Monday. Alright, so we're looking at some cold temperatures here. Staying around the same. That -5 degree weather pushing its way real far south. Latest earthquakes. We had a couple 6s in Indonesia today. There was one, a 6.0 earlier this morning, and then a 6.4 in the same spot. Looks like they took away the 6.0, unless this is done by time, which it probably is. Okay, well there's that. Looking at a real-time tremor map up in the Pacific Northwest, seeing how fast the slow slip is going, seeing if we need to worry about any earthquake activity up there, and so far it looks like no. Got some slippage up by Vancouver. That is good news. Keep on slipping. Arctic sea ice levels. Looking frosty up there. See that really starting to build up down here. It's amazing the ice caps come that far south. It's almost as far south as Seattle. Think about it. Alright. These are the snowfall forecasts starting today. These are the GFS models. Ooh, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. That's getting to the end of the month, folks. That looks like it's going to be a cold, wintry mess. In the news today, Denver's blizzard-like conditions hit tonight. That is where I reside, and I can attest to it. It is snowing out tonight. brace for polar vortex and maybe visiting more often. So, visiting, huh? Winter is shortening, but you're getting these more intensive periods in a short winter. Says a guy named Dennis. So it's not as long, but it's going to be much more intense. So what we got going on there? Looked at our earthquake already. Over here in Indonesia. Let's get you spun around. Yep, there we are. 6.4, 6.0, 4.8, 4.5, 4.9. All rocking in Indonesia. What is down there? It's just north of the tip of Australia at the bend. Alright, let's see if we can take a look and see what's there. So we're looking right up in here. Lots of volcanoes in this area. Don't know if you guys heard in the news, there was a tsunami up here at Jakarta about 2 weeks ago. Krakatoa volcano went off, sending a big landslide all the way from over here. This is Krakatoa right here, into Jakarta. Killed a band. Big mess. Alright, everybody. Well, hopefully you guys are up to date on what's going on with your weather. It's cold and windy out there, so you be safe, everyone.